Hey everyone, how's it going? At this point, we don't have enough video content to put a full video together showing what we're doing from start to finish. So I'll take this opportunity to just explain where we are and what we're doing, and also get back in the rhythm of putting a video out every week. So yeah, that's just gonna be a little short update video, and hopefully next week we'll have something finished where we could do a complete start to finish. Let's take a look at what's going on. So here is the underside of the deck. It's been completely stripped and sanded by Tani, and this is probably the last thing we're gonna tackle. We've been getting some suggestions on the best way to relaminate the coring material, the plywood to the ceiling, through the comments and our viewers. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much. But yeah, this is gonna be the major headache job, and neither of us are looking forward to taking it on right now. Especially in this hot summer heat. Right? What we've also started, which I mentioned in the last video, are these Gunnel Supports. We got 1, 2, and there's a third one behind our panel. Same thing on the other side, 1, 2, and the third one behind the panel. They are currently have 1 layer of glass on either side, and they're all shaped to fit. They're in position. They just need to be bonded and tabbed into the hull, and that's one project finished. So we're going to wrap that up, do it on both sides, get that out of the way. That's the quickest thing we could finish, and we'll probably put that out for you all to see next week. So the second thing we're working on is building a cover for this old engine bay. So this is still in the very early stages of the build, so this will probably take a couple more weeks to complete. This engine bay cover is going to be flush mount, as opposed to the previous one we had, which was surface mount, and it was raised, and it fit over the little ridge that was going all the way around. Tani cut it all off. Okay, this is what was there. It's been cut flush and removed. So this will be a smooth transition, and you won't buck your toe onto anything. So yeah, we're in the process of designing the best way to make this work. The old one was hinged, so we were able to lift it and access the bilge area relatively quickly, which I think is going to be a good idea. Tani might be open to the idea. I think he wanted to keep this like one piece. This is going to be like the main battery compartment that's going to be stocked along this way right under here, so I think quick access is important. But make sure to keep watching all our videos to see exactly what we do. In the meantime, I'm gonna be attempting to build a panel to cover this opening here. This could be a removable panel, so if we need to access any switches or wiring and such, we just take it off, do what we gotta do, put it back on. So it's gonna be like a semi-permanent structure, which I'm going to build primarily out of fiberglass, and probably put a little some sort of coring or stripping just to stiffen it up a bit. But I don't want to make it too heavy. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Sorry I didn't have much to show you guys, but that's a brief overview of what we'll be working on and what we hope to accomplish over the next month or so. Then after that, hopefully the weather will cool down a bit. Probably not, but then we'll go underneath there and sweat it out and bond some plywood to underneath the deck. Thanks a lot for watching. Appreciate your viewership. Like, subscribe. Look forward to putting more of these out for you. See ya.